Kumar Reddy and B. Praveen Kumar introducing a mini project on online movie ticket booking. And the main abstract is to design an online movie ticket booking to for the simple way to book tickets from anywhere to any place. Here the declaration in which the entitled as a online movie ticket booking. We done this under the course Java programming by the guidance of Mr. A. Bhuvaneshwaran sir. The acknowledgement is in which we are thankful to the institution. We are thankful to the institution by giving such an opportunity to implement the project, and we special thanks to our coordinator and the faculty Bhuvaneshwaran sir to giving such an opportunity. And the app and here the introduction. The main theme of the project is to developing a ticket reservation system for cinema halls by to giving the simplest way to book tickets. Here we reducing the stress and other issues regarding the booking movie tickets. On the olden days we have to go to the cinema halls and waiting in the queue, and we get or do not get the movie tickets, in which to escape from this problem we introduce the online movie ticket booking. Here there is a here we here the simplest way is to here here there is a way to book tickets in a simple manner, and we can choose any cinema at the particular location at any time we want. The functions of the project in which we can provide the website, and we can provide the website and which we can see the in which screen the cinema has been on and off at a particular time, and we can able to see the movie and choose whether the tickets are available or not, and we can get the reviews and we can get the ratings about the movie, and we can choose the particular cinema at a particular time, and we consume the less time to book the movie tickets, and we have the comfort without any issue. We can cancel the tickets also. So it is a very simplest process. And overview is to here the overview. The purpose of the project is for to giving the simplest way to the customers to book the online movie to book the movie tickets. And here we increase the profit to the companies by adjusting the free way to the customers, and we can reduce the staff also. Here the general requirements for this is the website of the particular movie website link for the particular movie in the particular cinema hall, and we want the user admin to change the data in the system, and the customer in which he can allow to freely allow to enter the data, and just clicking the seats he can book and he can cancel the tickets also, and we can get the statistic report on the cinema hall of a particular movie and the collections. Here the interface enhancement just as staff. Here the main theme of this online movie ticket booking is to reduce the staff in the counters. Yes, to reduce the staff in the counters. Here the system will automatically book the tickets, and automatically the customer cancel the ticket. It automatically receive the information and send the mails. Here the staff required to insert the data and the upcoming movie details, and to due payments. And the customer, here the customer is friendly and he can enter the lots of data and the book and we can give the stepwise instructions to book the movie ticket, just as 7 steps, 3 steps of to book the ticket. The overview of the project is to book the movie tickets of a web is a web-based system, and which we can select the seats and the availability, and we can cancel the tickets as per the movie just like before 2 days we can cancel the ticket, and before it has the end time, before 3 hours the starting movie we can cancel the tickets. After that we cannot cancel the tickets. It can give by the staff in the system, so we can follow such instructions. And the main features is the time. We can adjust the time, where we can adjust the time, and we can switch the locality on which the cinemas has been playing in particular hall and particular date. And we can restrict the time, date, and the availability of seats. We can cancel whether we do not able to come to the movie. We can have the option to cancel, and the rating, and we can get the information about the upcoming movie. Here, to create such a online movie ticket booking system, here we want some hardware requirements, just as Pentium 4 processor or more than Pentium 4 processor or Pentium 4 processor. We want 256 MB RAM, 512 KB cache memory, and 10 GB of hard disk. And it has to be Microsoft compatible or not, and has keyboard. And the main thing, the software requirements, we want the Windows operating system as Windows XP or the latest. We use the Java scripting. The front end is JSP HTML, and the back end is Oracle. Here exist system analysis. Existing system, before olden days the existing system is to book tickets by standing in the queue, and it's much time, we can take much time to take the ticket. So to restrict the particular problem, we introducing the latest system. The proposed system is to decrease the time consumption to book the movie ticket. Here we choose the city, and we choose the film and we can choose the language of the film, and we can choose which seat at particular corner, and we can delete the seat, and we can change the seat. So much availability. And the payment methods, credit card, debit card. Yes, so many features is available in the particular proposal system. And the module is the buy and the module buying ticket. Choose We have to we have to choose movie time and venue buy a buy a ticket, and choose the seat position and the day, and ticket type, and pay by credit card or card number, and we have to enter the card number, and we have to confirm the transaction. We have to show the transaction number to the user. Administrative staff will take care about the operation which have been done by the customer, and they can insert the movie data, delete movie data, modify movie data, and add new to current showing data. And my modules is about us, contacts, home, timings, total seats. Here coding part, and which we use the code to implement such a project. This is all coding. And here available some screenshots in which it works just like PVR cinemas. Here the PVR cinemas. Here the example, just like see, they give the location and the which date we want to see the movie and the particular movie name, and we have to submit, and can show the copyrights, and we can select the time, venue, and we can in which time we can select, and we can choose the seat, which seat we want, and use it and use to proceed to payment, and we have to enter the details, just like which location, which date, and amount we have to pay, which movie, just like how many tickets, and we submit. We can book the particular ticket for the particular movie. And the conclusion is to improve the selling tickets and improve the timings, to decrease the timings and efforts done by the customers, and to interact between the customer and the administrator of the movie, and we can get the ratings and whether the particular movie is bad or good, and we have to choose which movie is good. At a particular movie which is good, we go through it and go to the and book the tickets, and comfortably we can see. And the references, go to for the reference we have to go to the w3schools.com, coderanch.com, apache.org, javasoft.com. Okay, that's it. Thank you, sir.